Did you know that beating your wife made too much noise? That's why a London bylaw in 1895 made wife beating illegal. Between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m., though, it was totally fine. Speaking of strange laws, it's illegal to flush the toilet after 10 p.m. in Switzerland. This law was made to keep the noise down at night. So if you're in Switzerland, better hold it in until morning. Did you know that China implemented a one-child policy in 1979, where couples could only have one child and a couple birthed boy-girl twins, and gave away the girl to another family, which 20 years later both siblings got married not knowing their heritage, and thankfully, the rule was removed. In France, it's illegal to name a pig Napoleon. So no piggy business in France. Did you know it's illegal to die in Falciano del Masico, Italy? Yep, the cemetery is full, which led to this bizarre law. Imagine trying to avoid dying in a town. In Thailand, it's illegal to step on money because the currency features the king's image. Stepping on it is considered highly disrespectful. In Canada, it's illegal to pretend to be a ghost, so imagine getting arrested for having a spooky good time. Meanwhile, in Dubai, it's illegal to curse in public, so if you're feeling frustrated, keep those words to yourself.